Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file from Google Drive and panicked, thinking it's gone forever? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted Google Drive files in 2025. Quick, easy, and foolproof. By the end of this video, you'll know all the methods to get your files back safely. So let's dive in. First, let's start with the trash folder. Every file you delete in Google Drive goes straight to trash, and it stays there for 30 days before permanent deletion. To recover a file, just open Google Drive, click on Trash from the left-hand menu, find the file you want, right-click it, and select Restore. That's it. Your file will go back to its original location. But what if your file isn't in the trash anymore? Don't worry, Google Drive has you covered. If your file was deleted within the last 25 to 30 days, you can try Google Drive's Backup and Sync version history. Open Drive, locate the folder where the file was stored, and click on View Details or Manage Versions. This allows you to restore previous versions of documents and files, even if the original was deleted. Next, for Google Workspace users, there's an admin-level recovery option. If you're part of an organization, your Google Workspace admin can recover files deleted within 25 days after leaving the trash. So if you accidentally lost something critical, your admin can restore it directly to your account. Lastly, for permanently deleted files, you can try Google Drive support. Contacting Google support can sometimes help recover files that have exceeded the trash period, especially if they are important business or workspace documents. And there you have it. Those are the foolproof ways to recover deleted Google Drive files in 2025. Remember, acting fast and knowing where to look is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.